Hey there! Welcome back to Retirees Without Borders, the channel that helps you plan your dream retirement, travel the world, and make the most of your golden years. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our tips for living your best retired life. Today we're diving into a fun topic: how to plan the perfect retirement vacation. Whether you're ready to relax on a beach or explore a new city, I've got some tips to help you make your next trip unforgettable. Retirement is the perfect time to treat yourself to a well-deserved vacation, but with so many options, it can be tough to know where to start. Don't worry though, I've got you covered. Let's walk through a few key steps to help you plan that dream getaway so you can enjoy every moment without any stress. First up, decide on your travel style. Ask yourself, what kind of vacation am I in the mood for? Do I want something relaxing like a beach getaway or spa retreat? Or am I ready to explore a new city or country? So maybe you've got an adventurous side and you want to try a hiking trip or a cruise. Knowing your style helps narrow down your options. Next, set a budget. Even in retirement, you want to be mindful of how much you're spending. Think about how long you want to stay, where you want to go, and what activities you'll be doing. And don't forget to factor in things like flights, accommodations, meals, and any excursions you've been dreaming of. Setting a budget early on helps you avoid surprises later. Now, this one's key. Research your destination. Once you've picked where you want to go, dive into the details. What's the best time of year to visit? Are there any must-see sites or hidden gems? And of course, check for any travel restrictions or requirements like visas or vaccines. Doing your homework helps you feel prepared and makes the trip even smoother. Fourth, don't forget to plan your itinerary. Even if you're the laid-back type who likes to go with the flow, having a rough idea of what you want to do each day can make a big difference. You'll avoid wasting time figuring out things on the spot, and it also gives you something to look forward to each day. Be sure to include some downtime to relax and recharge. Lastly, get travel insurance. I know it's not the most exciting part of planning a vacation, but it's so important. Whether it's a delayed flight or an unexpected medical issue, having travel insurance gives you peace of mind so you can enjoy your trip without any worry. So there you have it, some simple steps to plan the perfect retirement vacation. Whether you're setting sail on a cruise, exploring a new city, or kicking back at a beach resort, remember that retirement is your time to enjoy life. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments where your dream vacation spot is. And don't forget to subscribe to Retirees Without Borders for more tips on travel, retirement, and making the most of your golden years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.